Alright, so Meta's 3rd gen smart glasses are shaping up to be way more than just a pair of Ray-Bans with a camera slapped on. This time, we're talking about a true AI-powered wearable. Something that still looks like a classic pair of Ray-Bans, but now comes packed with some serious upgrades. The biggest one? A built-in display. Instead of just having cameras, microphones, and speakers like the last models, these new ones are expected to actually show you info right in your field of view. To make that happen, Meta has a couple of options: waveguide optics and birdbath optics, two very different approaches used in AR/VR devices. But since Meta is keeping the design sleek like the previous generation, waveguide fits the bill, and depending on the version, we might see different levels of quality. Higher end models could get pretty pricey, maybe hitting $1,000 or more. Take silicon carbide lenses, for example. They're not common in optics, but Meta used them to make Orion's display bigger and brighter than regular glass allows. The catch? They're expensive and tricky to mass produce, which makes keeping costs down without sacrificing that advantage a real challenge. But don't stress, Zuck's betting big on 2025 as the year smart glasses go mainstream. He's talking millions, maybe even billions of units if people love them, so expect some more affordable options too. But the upgrades don't stop there. The cameras and sensors are rumored to get a serious boost. Higher resolution, better low-light shots, and smoother video stabilization because, let's be honest, past models weren't exactly great for nighttime shots. There's also talk of improved microphones for clearer audio and better voice commands. Battery life should improve too. The current models last about 4 hours, but the 3rd gen might stretch that with smarter power management and maybe even a bigger battery. Then there's the software. Meta already has Hey Meta voice commands, but they're stepping it up with multimodal inputs, which is just a fancy way of saying you'll be able to interact using a mix of voice, visuals, and maybe even gestures. They're even exploring new ways to control these glasses, like a sensor wristband or improved touch controls, making them easier to use on the go. As for when we'll actually see them, most rumors point to late 2025, though some think a 2026 launch isn't off the table. Meta's been hyping up 2025 as a big year for smart glasses, so fingers crossed we get more leaks soon. If Meta pulls this off, these glasses could go from being a cool tech gadget to something actually useful in everyday life. Would you wear AI-powered smart glasses? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace.